So I'm here at MCO Wigan, where I've got an Indian dealership, and wow, it's definitely impressive. I tell you what, there's a sea of bikes as you walk in. You can see it's just bikes everywhere. Looks really, really good. Roadmasters, Chieftains. One of the ones that I really like as well these days is the Chieftain Elites. Really, really good paint jobs. Really like them. Yeah, pretty much everything. Custom Scouts. Wow. Nothing but bikes. I really love this as well. The matte whites. The old Victory. Still a bike I like. I really do like them. Yeah, non-stop bikes. Scouts for days. The new FTR. Brilliant. Good looking bike. I'm just getting into Edinburgh now, on my way to the last stop at the Indian motorcycle dealership. So yeah, that's been a good trip, made some good time, avoided the rain for now, touch wood. Yeah, it's been an awesome ride. I tell you what, this bike is brilliant, really does perform so well. Oh wow, this is nice.
How's the road trip going?
Yeah, good. So wow guys, I've just arrived in heaven. This is probably the best shop I've ever seen. Just arrived at Alma Customs and they've got absolutely everything. Here's my bike there, but they have the best facilities I've ever seen at a dealership. Look at that, just absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Kit for days, bikes. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. Look at that sign. Wow. Absolutely brilliant. Look at that. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. So other than the bike store, they've got various leisure places as well. Pool hall, cafe, everything. In fact, downstairs they've got several other dealerships. KTM, Norton, Zero. Absolutely brilliant. Hello, mate. Yeah, so as I was saying, guys, probably one of the best shop I've ever seen. And look at these cars, and they literally have absolutely everything. You name it. I'll head around to the cafe. They've even got bike hire all around. So any of the bikes they've got here, you can hire them up. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Gasoline alley. Quick look around. Hello, mate. Yeah, we've even got their own riding school. Wow, such a great facility. I'll tell you what, guys, if you are ever in this area, definitely make sure that you look up Alba Customs. Very, very good. Hi. Service, everything. Wow. Just brilliant.